welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rose here. If you're new, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. This is going to be a part of my Vlogmas. This is Vlogmas day number 4. I kind of want to do a little bit of everything, like vlogging, tutorials, maybe some like shopping ideas. I don't know, but I kind of want to give you guys a little bit of everything for Vlogmas, and this is my first year, so I'm kind of like learning as I go. But yes, we're gonna do a makeup tutorial today. I just got my Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette as well as Controversy, so I'm gonna be using these today. Whoop, these today for my look, and I'm also gonna be using the blush from the KKW and Mario, the, what is it called, the Artist Muse. What's the collection called? Yeah, the Artist and Muse collection. And I'm also going to be using the lip products as well. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited for this video. If you are interested in seeing how I created this look, kind of got inspired a little bit by candy canes. But since there isn't any red, I used pink instead. So yeah, I hope you guys kind of get my little drift and whatnot. But yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it, and make sure you guys are turning on post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a video and you won't miss out on anything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Alright you guys, let's get this started. So we start off with brows first, and for brows, you guys already know the deal. I always use my ABH brow products, and today I use the Brow Wiz in dark brown. And also, I'm sorry for the lighting to be going in and out. You'll see moments here and there where the lighting gets a little dark, and I think it's because of the mirror, but anywho, so I use that to pretty much do my brows, and then I'll go ahead and do my eye base, and I do use the P. Louise Rumor 2 base, and I use it to clean up the bottom and do like the whole eyeshadow base and stuff. Okay, I'm so super excited for this palette. Oh my god, you guys. Alright, so first two shades we're gonna go in is Diet Root Beer and Tanacon. I do mix those shades together, and kind of use that for crease and transition area. And you guys, I did not expect to get that punch of pigment right there. Like, I literally dabbed the brush onto my eyelid once. No joke. So we're going to do that, and we're going to kind of blend that out a little bit. And then I do go in with a little bit of my pills to kind of soften up the edges of that, and also to add some brightness into the brow bone area. So once we have that blended out, I'm going to take Not a Fact and I'm going to deepen up the crease a little bit more. I kind of wanted to do something like holiday inspired, Christmas inspired. When I looked at the palette, I definitely wanted to play with Illuminati. And there wasn't any reds or anything like that in the palette, so I was like, ooh, maybe like mistletoe vibes. And then I was kind of feeling candy cane vibes at the same time. So I kind of just went with what I had. But I used Not a Fact into the crease, and then I'm gonna go in with my rides here for the outer corner once I cut my crease. I did that off camera because I have a cut crease video, so if you guys are interested in knowing how do I cut creases, I will link it in the cards for you guys. But then I took my rides here and I put that in the outer corner of the eye, and that black is very pigmented, you guys. Very pigmented. I would say though, if you are someone that do not like kickback from the pans, this shade has a lot. Like, I would tap my brush and I would get tons of kickback. So yeah, that's one thing I would say about this shade. So I'm pretty much just gonna be blending the colors together to make sure that my blend is very seamless and there's no type of harsh lines at all. Once I get that down, I'll go in with Illuminati and kind of blend it on that outer corner as right along with the black, and kind of just mesh the two together. This color is absolutely beautiful. Like, I'm actually really in love with this shade. It's so beautiful. And then I went in with Trisha. I went in with Trisha, and then I pretty much applied that into like the center, and I, you know, did my blending. You got to make sure everything is nice and blended together. And then I went in with Ranch in the inner corner of the eye area, and that kind of gave me my little gradient. And you know, when I was looking at it, I was okay, candy cane, mistletoe type of vibes. So yeah, very holiday-esque. So I did that, and then we're gonna move on pretty much. Alright, you guys, so now it's face. I'm not gonna really talk much through the face portion, just because you guys have seen me do my base all the time. It's pretty much the same thing, just I switch up products here and there. But I am super excited with how my base came out for this look. Like, absolutely amazing, like flawless. So I haven't used this foundation in a while, which is the Bounce foundation by Beauty Blender. So that's the foundation that I use. Everything else I will have listed down below for you guys, and I'm just gonna let you guys kind of enjoy the rest of the video, because the rest of the video is literally me doing the rest of my face. Also, for lashes, I did use Anastasia Beverly Hills lashes in Eleganza, so if you're interested to know, that's what I used. And yeah, I'm pretty much gonna just sign off here. I hope you guys enjoyed this look in this little video. Please stay tuned for my next videos. Make sure you guys are subscribed and turn on post notifications. And yeah, love you guys bunches, and I'll see you guys in the next one.